In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Duolingo in English. By the end, your whole Duolingo interface will appear in English, even if it started in another language. First, open the Duolingo app or website. If you are on a phone or tablet, tap the Duolingo icon and wait for the home screen to load. On a computer, go to the Duolingo website in your browser and sign in if it does not log you in automatically. You should see your usual learning path with lessons or circles on the main screen. Now tap or click the current course, which appears as a small flag icon. On the app, this flag is usually at the top of the screen, near your streak and gem count. On the website, you will see the flag near the top left or top center, close to your profile picture. When you select it, a small panel or menu opens showing the language you are currently learning. From there, select Add Course. In the app, this is often near the bottom of the language list, and it might scroll, so drag the list if you do not see it right away. On the website, you may see Add Course as a clear link or button in that same language panel. Once you tap or click Add Course, Duolingo takes you to a page that shows many available language courses. Next, choose a course with English as the base language, for example, English to Spanish. What matters here is that the little label under the course name says it is for English speakers. You might see it written as English Spanish, or you might see 4 English speakers under the course title. Pick any language you like, as long as English is the language it uses to teach. Once you select it, Duolingo will show a brief description or a start screen for that course. After that, switch to that course. On the app, you may be taken into the new course automatically and see the first units on the home screen. On the website, you might need to confirm by clicking a Start button or a similar option, then you will see the new course path. A quick way to confirm you switched is that the flag icon at the top now matches the language you picked, like Spanish or French. With the new course active, the Duolingo interface changes to English. You will notice all the main buttons, menus, and instructions now appear in English, including the home, stories, or practice sections. Only the parts of each lesson that are meant to be in your target language will still show that language, which is normal. You can switch between this new course and any previous course using the same flag menu, and the interface will stay in English as long as you use a course for English speakers. You have now set up Duolingo so that the whole interface runs in English. If that helped you get around the app more easily, please give this video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Duolingo tips.